Hey Discord, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So in this episode we got this cool instrument right here, and basically what this is a smart sonic electric toothbrush. So for the one that we got right here is from a brand called Oclean, and they call this the X Pro electric toothbrush. So you can see this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. But once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. I'm assuming for this part right here where it's the Aurora purple is because we got the purple color. They do have this available in other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But once you guys open up this part, this is what the inside looks like. So you do probably got the toothbrush head, and this cable and etc. Let's take everything out first. So first thing that we have right here is a charging base. Then put the toothbrush on here to charge it. So you can see it's like a wireless charging option. In the back right here is where you have to plug in the cable. So let's open up. Here is what the back part looks like. So it looks like it is a micro USB slot. So when you guys are not using it, you guys can close it back up. And bottom right here, we see they probably got a 3M tape, so that way you can stick it onto your table or your flat surface. Next up right here, they do probably got a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So they do have the instruction provided for you guys in many different languages. And like I mentioned, for the product is a smart electric toothbrush. So you definitely have the option to connect it onto an app, which I'll show you guys in a second. And then right here in the back, you can see right here they do probably got the charging cable that's used to recharge the product. So let's take it out. So here is the cable that's provided for you guys, which is a USB to micro USB cable. You can definitely use that to recharge the actual toothbrush. And then last but not least, we do have the electric toothbrush right here. So you can see in the bottom we do have the brand logo. Right here we do have the button for you to press to activate the product and change the different mode on here as well. And we see right here they also show you guys how to use it because there's something underneath here. So you probably have to swipe or something when you guys use it. So let's peel out the sticker first. Alright, so once you guys peel it out, here is basically what it actually looks like. So I'm assuming once you guys turn it on, it will show you guys something right here. And I will show you guys what it actually looks like in a second. But let me show you guys everything else on here first. So for the top part right here, we do have the toothbrush. And they also probably got the cover as well. So we're going to take it out. Here is what the toothbrush head looks like. And it looks like they only probably guys wanted them. So if you guys want another one, you probably have to purchase it separately. But for the toothbrush head, it does give you guys the option to replace it. So let's take it out. You guys can definitely take it out really easily, but that is basically what the inside looks like. And the way how you have to replace it is actually very easy. Once you guys take it out, you guys can put it in the new one like this, and it's all set. If you see in the bottom, that is where you have to put it into the charging base to actually recharge it. So just like this. So that is how you guys will recharge the actual electric toothbrush. And one thing that I just realized about the charging base is the fact that you do have the option to take it out. So just like that. So it is a magnetic option that you can stick on here if you guys want to. But that is basically everything that's included in the product. Before I connect it on the app, let me show you guys what the screen looks like right here first. So if you press the power button, that turns it on. So this is what the screen looks like when you guys do activate it. And you do have the option to swipe on here. But it'll probably be easier for you guys to control it when you guys connect it on the app. So I'm actually connected on the app first. So the app this one download is called Oclean Pro. So I'm actually download it first. Alright, so once you guys download it, here is basically what the app looks like. But once you guys finish downloading the app, it tells you guys to register for an account. So I'm actually do that first. Alright, so we got everything all set up. So now we can connect it onto the electric toothbrush. So what I want to do is click on add new device. Alright, so once you guys click on add new device, it found the device on here. So now we can start using it. So once you guys pair the electric toothbrush onto your phone, this is what the app looks like. So it'll show you guys the duration, the effect, the day of use, the report, and etc. So you basically keep track of everything on the app, and you'll probably keep track of it on here as well. But once you guys turn it on, let's see what happens. If you see there's a countdown on here to show you guys how long you guys need to brush it. So you want to brush it around for like 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, it should turn off by itself. But if you guys want to stop it before the time, you guys can press on the button. And that will stop it. So when you guys do feel this part right here, let's see what it feels like. So that is basically how the product works when you guys do use it. And for the product, it does have different modes available for you guys. So if you guys want a whitening option, cleaning option, and etc., you can definitely change that on here. Let me show you guys how to do that. So once you guys turn it on, if you guys swipe down again, swipe down one more time. Now you guys have mode. So if you guys swipe it, you can change the different mode that's on here. So there's basically a massage mode, a white mode, and a clean mode. And once you guys figure out which one you guys want to use, you guys can press on the button to confirm it. So let's say if I want to use the white mode, I can press on the button, and it's all confirmed. And we see right here when we just use it for a few seconds, it does show you guys the result that's on here. And also another thing that I do want to let you guys know is the way how to design the electric toothbrush. It is water resistant or waterproof. So even if you guys get water on here, it is completely fine. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Before I test it out, let me just plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So I'm plugging the cable in the back. So if you guys plug it in, once you guys plug it in cable, then you can start using it. So if you guys put the electric toothbrush on top, eventually it starts charging. So that is basically how you guys charge the product. So currently it's around like 56%. And they also do show you guys the battery percentage on the app as well. You can see right there. So that is basically how you guys charge the product. Now I'm actually going to do a quick waterproof test or water resistant test to show you guys whether or not the product is actually water resistant or waterproof. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let me actually turn it on and then we'll put some water on here to show you guys whether or not the full body is actually water resistant or waterproof. So we'll turn it on first. Turn on the water. Alright, so the whole body is waterproof or water resistant. So even if you guys do get water on here, it is fine. Welcome back, guys. So next a quick test, the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So you see when you guys fully drench the product in water, it is completely fine because the way how to design the product is water resistant or waterproof. But what I do recommend is that if you guys do get water on here, you do want to wipe the bottom part before you guys plug it in to actually charge it up. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually working or not. So for the product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality electric toothbrush where it gives you guys a smart option where you can connect it onto the app and monitor everything on there. And also if you guys are trying to look for electric toothbrush that's water resistant and waterproof as well. So that way you can brush your teeth while you guys are showering as well. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.